So this is the Southern Pacific C44-9W with the speed lettering. And as we look at the details, there's the row number 8101, and also the SP logo in the front, and the ditch lights, grab irons, and there is cab interior detail as well. And then these windows don't open. Also, the wheel trucks and the generator on the bottom. And then I really like the speed lettering right there. I really like the logo. And then the horn on the top, and then the exhaust vent, and then the radiator there. And then there's no PTC antenna on this model. It's just the roof there. Also on the sides there's the vents, and then a wheel there. And then this is what it looks like on the underside. We look on the back, there's a row number, and then a set of backlights there, and a coupler, and then the grab irons. Take a look at the other side. Pretty much the same, except there's cylinders there, and then some small detail patches there, and steps as well. I really like this model, and this is a Scaletrains HO scale operator, Southern Pacific with the speed lettering, C44-9W. And I remember seeing these as a kid. Well, they looked way more faded than this. This looks very brand new because I guess it is brand new. I just really like this kind of locomotive and the Southern Pacific's version of the C44-9W overall. So I'm very happy with this purchase. So apparently when I was filming this video, I did not notice that the left back grab iron was not fixed in the right place. So after recording the video, I fixed it, so now it's normal now. So thank you all so much for watching this video, and I will see you all in the next one. Goodbye.